Alright, so we're thinking about games like Gaslands, 40K, any of these games that are possibly like post-apocalyptic or futuristic games, even current day games. There's something that often works great as a terrain piece, and that is a shipping container. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very simple shipping container with very minimal materials that looks great on the table that you can use for multiple different games. I've actually got a secret special purpose for the shipping container that I'm making right now, which will be probably the next video. But for now, let's get to the table and I'll show you how to make a shipping container. well, it is done. I had a lot of fun building this one. It was a little frustrating with the cardboard. One thing I will note is if you are going to use this regular cardboard for it, a buddy of mine told me roll it up first. It does help peel that layer of cardboard off. Another thing I would maybe mention is that you can actually get corrugated paperboard just right off of Amazon. So if I'm going to do more of these in the future, I might do that because then I don't have to worry about doing all the cleanup and stuff. But I mean, the cost of this thing was like 5 cents maybe if you look at the paint and the amount of foam core that I use and stuff. I think it looks really good. Yeah, I'm going to use it for Gaslands, might use it for 40K in the store and stuff like that for display, different types of games. It could be used for Infinity, a bunch of different types of games, even RPG games, different scenarios and setups. So is it perfectly accurate to scale? Well, the scale is pretty good. Is it exactly accurate? No, I didn't put all the little tiny details. There's no numbers or painting or anything on there as far as lettering. But I wanted this to be something that was tabletop quality. Something super simple that you guys can make as well. And I'd love to see you guys make something similar. Maybe it doesn't have to be a container, but something else, and drop in on my Discord and share it. I'd love to see that. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you tune in next week, I think next week anyways, don't quote me on that, but the plan is to use this in another project. So I'm excited about finishing this one off, but you guys will have to wait and see till next time for that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you again next time.